In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for a Google form in just 5 minutes. QR codes have become a practical tool in making information readily accessible through smartphones, so creating one for your Google form is an efficient way to increase engagement and response rates. Let's dive right into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to open your Google form. This is the starting point from which you will generate the link needed to create your QR code. Make sure you have completed your Google form and it's ready to be shared. Once your form is open, locate the Published button situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will allow you to access the sharing settings of your form. This step is crucial because you need to ensure that your form is set to be viewed by anyone with the link. Next, look for the link icon that resembles a chain. Clicking on this icon will open a dialog box displaying your form's URL. This is the link you will use in your QR code, so be sure to copy it accurately to your clipboard. Simply highlight the URL and use your device's copy function. With your form's URL safely copied, navigate to a QR code generator website. There are several free options available, such as Adobe Express, that you can use. These sites are user-friendly, making the next steps quick and simple. Once you've landed on the QR code generator page, locate the input field where you can paste the URL. Most generators will have an obvious space for this. Just paste the link directly into the box provided. After pasting your URL, you'll see a button that says either Generate or Create QR Code. Clicking this button will start the process of creating your unique QR code. This is typically very fast, and within seconds you should have a QR code that is connected directly to your Google form. Finally, download the QR code image. This image file can be saved to your computer or device for easy access. Once downloaded, you can share it digitally through emails or social media, or even print it out to distribute physically. Consider where your audience is most likely to access the code and cater to those channels. Keep in mind, QR codes provide a direct digital bridge to your form, which is why they're so effective. And that's it. You've just created an easy access point to your Google form that anyone can use just by scanning the code with their smartphone. QR codes are a great way to enhance participation and streamline the feedback process. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow. Happy form sharing!